Reepro Service and Manufacturing Company Limited, proud to be a part of REE Corporate, a leading multi-sector company in Vietnam with over 40 years of experience in sustainable development. Reepro was founded with the vision of the growth of mechanical and electrical product REE-Tech trademark and general contracts in solar power. Affiliated with the experience and consecutive success of REE Corporate, Reepro always strives to establish a trustworthy brand offering exceptional products and services. As a solar EPC general contractor, Reepro has played one of the major roles in the success of over 100 industrial and commercial scale projects across the country. Those unremitting efforts have awarded us EPC Company of the Year by Leader Associates, a global clean energy event organizer. With a warehouse of over 5,000 square meters, Reepro can supply materials and equipment for solar power projects from civic to industrial. At Reepro, we have essential resources to coordinate every aspect of a successful project. That success comes to fruition through our experienced and professional staff. On the road to professionalizing the M&E product of the REE-Tech trademark, Reepro is constantly seeking efficient solutions, staying current with technology trends, and improving competitiveness in manufacturing and supplying M&E products. After more than 30 years of development, products such as air ducts, air dampers, air diffusers, cable tray and ladder, air handling units, and electrical cabinets of REE-Tech trademark, which are manufactured and supplied by Reepro, have affirmed their solid position in Vietnam and is trusted in many national-level projects and high-class projects of international standards. We have set up 3 factories in Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang, and Hanoi with a total area of more than 15,000 square meters, modern manufacturing machinery, high-skilled engineers and factory workers, and strict quality control procedures under Vietnamese and international standards. Reepro has been manufacturing and supplying projects with more than 3 million square meters of air ducts, 600,000 air diffusers and air dampers, 900,000 meters of cable trays and ladders, and more than 1,500 air handling units. Obliged to pursue core values of innovation, effectiveness, sustainability in any field, Reepro always strives relentlessly to build up a prestigious brand, high-end products, and professional services, and deliver high value to customers and society. Reepro, top product, pro service.